Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we make Excel easy and fun. I'm Tanvir Rahaman and today we're going to learn how to sum values by date in Excel. So let's get started. First of all, discuss about data sum. Summing values by date can be super useful, especially if you are working with sales data, expense, or any time-based data. It helps you see trends and make better decisions. Okay, let's see our example. Here's an example. Imagine you have a table of sales data with date and some sales. Now we want to sum the sales for each date. Example, this date is 04/07/24. Okay, and need sum here. How can do it? In this purpose, we'll use three methods. Our first method is SUMIF. SUMIF, what is SUMIF? SUMIF is only for single condition purpose when you need sum. Okay, let's see. Here, select this cell and type equal, then SUMIF, bracket open. You can see SUMIF syntax here. First of all, need range. What is range? Range is this date, what area is in. Our date is in this range. So range means this date full area. Okay, select first date and Ctrl Shift down. Select our full range and Ctrl back button. Then comma and criteria. Criteria is this date. So criteria this date. Select this date. Then type comma and sum range. Sum range this cell's value. Okay. First cell select and Ctrl Shift down and hit enter button. Now you can see here this date sum. Okay. If you copy paste any date, you can see here change. Okay. You can see any change. Now if you do not have this date, these cells, how can do it? In this purpose, when you select this criteria, this reference, here you type date, your date. Type double quotation and your date format. My date format is 04 and dash 07 and dash 24 and again double quotation, then hit enter. You can see same time output. Now I will use the second method. This method purpose we are using pivot tables. Pivot tables are a powerful way to summarize data in the Excel. So let's create one. Select your data range. First of all, select your full data range, this data range. Okay. Then go to insert menu and choose pivot table. Here the pivot table. When you select pivot table, you can see a dialog box. If you want your sum, this sheet, in this purpose, select existing worksheet. If you want another sheet, in this purpose, select new worksheet. But I want to existing worksheet. Select existing worksheet and location, select this location and hit OK button. Now you can see a pivot table fields in your right hand. Then select your this date option here and drag the date in rows this box. Now remove month and remove days, only have to date. Now cells, select cells in this value area. Now you can summarize your date. If you go to this row levels, this drop down this arrow icon, you select this arrow and select all, select your date and you can see your data. Easy, right? Pivot table are great because they can be updated automatically when you date change. If you change my date, select change my date. Okay, now select your pivot table and press your mouse right button and you can see refresh. When you click refresh. Okay, now method 3, using the SUMIFS function for date range. This is useful if you want to sum values within a specific date range, between date range. Okay, in this purpose, example, you want this 2 July to 16 July. These 2 dates between sums. We want a result here, this cell. Go to home menu. Okay. Now equal type sum ifs, and you can see sum range. Our sum range is the cell range. Select cell, first cell, and control shift down arrow, control back arrow, then type comma. Criteria range 1, that means our first condition range 1. Our condition is date, so date range. Select first date and control shift down, again control back and type comma. Now criteria, that means our first condition. Our first condition is 2 July 24. In this purpose, here use a new symbol, new formula. Type double quotation greater than equal to, then again double quotation, and type and symbol. Now type your date, double quotation 02, 07 and 24, again double quotation, comma. Now criteria range to condition range to, same date range. Select first date and control shift down and control back, again type comma and criteria to. Here I use double quotation less than, equal, double quotation, and sign and double quotation. Type our second date, 16, 07, 24, double quotation, bracket close, hit enter button. You can see change. This formula sums cells between July 2, 24 and July 16, 24. Now you know how to sum values within a data range. And there you have it. 3 easy methods to sum values by date in Excel. Either you use SUMIF, PivotTables or SUMIFS. Each method has to an advanced range. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. If you have any question or video request, let me know in the comments below. Happy excelling and see you in the next video.